Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I am fine also by the grace of Allah. Welcome to my class. Here, Selina Akhtar, your business studies teacher, with you for taking a class on your business entrepreneurship subject. Today, I am going to take a class on business based ownership or organization, and today our topic is joint stock company. Let's see the concept of joint stock company. Company is such an organization which is created under the law, having separate legal existence, separate legal entity, and limited liabilities for the owners, and where several people jointly invest money to earn profit. At present, in Bangladesh, all the joint stock business is running under the Company Act 1994. Students, look, Company Act means the act under which the joint stock company is operated in Bangladesh. From the concept of joint stock company, we have find out some features of the company. Number one, joint stock company is legally formed. We see that joint stock company is created under the law 1994 Company Act. Several people willingly come together to form and operate company business. Any member can leave the business easily through transfer of his share, and anyone can become a member through buying its share. Number two, joint stock business is an enthusiastic organization. It means any member can leave it easily through transfer of his share. And number three, since it is legally formed, it has legal personality. Students, do you know what is legal personality? Legal personality means enjoying legal status and right like person being a non-person entity. Company independently can enter into a contract, do transactions, and can take legal action if necessary. Other party also has the right to go to court against the company. Number four, its dissolution must be done under formal legal system. In this way, it owns the status of continued existence. The company does not dissolve with the death of any shareholder, bankruptcy, or transfer of share that we seen already in partnership business. Number five, the company has to use a seal of its own name because it is a legal personality. Use of this seal is mandatory for all the operations and paper and documents of the company. Number six, the total capital of the company is divided legally into several small portions. Each of these unit is called share. Company accumulates capital by selling this share. For these reasons, it is called share capital. Any person aged more than 18 or any institution can become a member of buying share because of more members and its opportunities to collect capital by selling share. It can arrange huge capital. Number seven, management is totally separate from ownership. In company business, the owners of company business do not take part in the operational activities directly like the sole proprietorship firm or partnership firm. Management responsibility is maintained by another group of salaried people. The directors or owners only take part in the policy level of works. Number eight, The liability of the members of the company is limited. It is not unlimited like the sole proprietorship business or partnership business. Members' liability is limited by the share value or commitment. Limited by share means a person shall be liable for the amount of share he or she has purchased. For example, if a person buys 100 share of taka 1000 each, in that case his liability shall be limited to 10,000 taka. On the other hand, limited by liability shall be my commitment means the amount of share is committed to be purchased by a person and he or she will be liable up to his commitment. So students, look, limited liability is a liability that is limited by the number of share or limited by the commitment. Number 9. In operation and management of company, business, democratic culture and values are follows. Shareholders elect the board of directors through direct vote and the business is run by decisions of the board of directors. Classification of joint stock company. In Bangladesh, limited companies are mainly divided into two categories. You see, number 1, private limited company and number 2, public limited company. Private limited company. The company in which number of shareholders are limited to minimum 2 and maximum 50 and where the shares are not easily transferable is called private limited company. According to the law, the minimum number of members has to be at least 2 in this type of company and gradually the number of private limited companies are increasing in Bangladesh. Public limited company. The company in which minimum number of members is 7 and maximum is limited by the number of shares as mentioned in the memorandum of association can take invitation for subscription of shares and debentures and share are easily transferable is called a public limited company. Memorandum of association is a document of company formation. We have learned it in the next class. And another important topic of public limited company is, as per law, this type of company must have at least 3 directors. So students, I hope you all are understand my lessons. If you do that, so take a homework, find 5 differences between public limited company and private limited company. So no more today. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.